Hi everyone, I'm Cami from the Attivo group. Today we're going to learn about common business problems associated with inventory counting and how these can be solved using SAP Business One. Do you struggle with inventory inaccuracy, such as not knowing how much inventory you have at a given point in time? Are you unable to fill customer orders because inaccurate inventory levels have caused available material shortages? Or do you dread your annual physical inventory count because it only opens the floodgates to more inventory-related issues? If you are experiencing any of these common business problems, you are likely not performing periodic inventory cycle counts. For the purpose of this how-to video, we will look at 3 simple steps to take using SAP Business One to perform inventory cycle counts and increase inventory accuracy. First, we will see how to set up inventory cycles and how to determine cycle count codes. Next, we will view the cycle count recommendations that are automatically generated by SAP Business One. And finally, we will see an inventory counting document. In SAP Business One, you can define different inventory cycles that you want to use for your cycle counting process. Here we have a weekly cycle count that occurs every week on Friday. Here you see the start count date, which is March 12th, 2021. And down here you can define an end date if you wish, but this particular cycle does not have an end date. Once the inventory cycles are defined, next we go to the cycle count determination. Here you will define how you want to group the items to be counted in each warehouse location. You can see that each of these warehouses will cycle count by item group. If you click into each warehouse, you can define cycle codes for each item group. So say you want to count items in the item groups JB printers weekly, as well as the rainbow printers weekly. So we select weekly for both of these and click update. One of the great things about SAP Business One is that it will automatically generate recommendations on what items to count based on the previously defined inventory cycles and cycle codes. So here we will select our criteria for the cycle count recommendations for all item groups in this particular warehouse that we defined the cycle codes for previously. Here are the items that SAP Business One recommends that we count in our next cycle count. We can select all items and copy them to an inventory counting document. From here, you will enter the actual counted quantities when you perform your cycle counts. Notice that these two items have a counted quantity that differs from the in-house quantity. If there is a variance, you can copy it to an inventory posting document that will automatically create a journal entry and adjust inventory levels within SAP Business One to maintain inventory accuracy. Here are a few key takeaways from our how-to video for inventory cycle counting using SAP Business One. Performing inventory cycle counts will lead to increased inventory accuracy, increased confidence in buying decisions, and it will save you time, money, and frustration. For more information, download our Cycle Counting 101 document. Thanks for watching. For more information, you can access our Attivo Academy to learn different SAP Business One modules in depth with our training guides, training videos, exercises, and quizzes. You can visit our blog for other topics like this one. You can also check out our website, attivoconsulting.com, or shoot us an email at info@attivoconsulting.com for more information.